Hey Madison, I'm Mark Gladue with Lauer Realty Group, and today we are at a very special property in Monona. As you can see, it sits on almost 3/4 of an acre. It is ripe for something like a pool right here, landscaping, whatever your desires are. It's a 1955 mid-century modern that has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and almost 2,500 square feet. I can't wait for you to see the sunroom, the remodeled kitchen, and those gorgeous hardwood floors. Come on with me, let's take a tour. Hey, thanks for taking the tour with us today, and I hope you enjoyed the house as much as I love it. Look, I've been a resident in Monona for over 20 years, and one of the things I love the most is that almost anywhere in Monona, you're a short walk to the lake. Like right here, for example, you're just down the street from Frostwoods Beach, where you can launch your canoes, your kayaks, go swimming, and enjoy all the water activities you want to. Have you been thinking about buying a home in Monona? Or maybe you're thinking about changing homes in Monona? Well, if so, I'd love to help. Thanks so much for your time today. We're glad you stopped by.